Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy. Okay? Yes, so we have started revision of English also. Which revision? Essay 1. You are preparing for Essay 1 exam. Okay? So today we will do FB of lesson number 4, lesson 6 and poem 5. Understood? FB means fill in the blanks of lesson 4, 6 and poem 5. Okay children? Yes. So, now see revision. What we are doing? Revision of Essay 1 semester exam. Okay, Essay 1 exam. So I hope now you all are doing well, revising at home. Okay, so today we will revise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay children, today we are going to revise fill in the blanks. We have already completed and now I hope you all have learned it well. So I will ask you some words also. So are you ready to give me answers? Yes. Now see, we will revise words first, okay? So now tell me the spelling of first. First. Do you know what is the spelling of first? Yes. Very good. First. First. Okay. Now I will show you. First. See the spelling? F-I-R-S-T. First. See, read again if you have not learned. F-I-R-S-T. First. Okay children? Yes, now you have learned the word first. Now spelling of classroom. Classroom. Do you know the spelling? Classroom. Spell. Very good. Those who are reading. Those are speaking words. Very good. So now see. Classroom. See the spelling I have shown you. Spell it. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Learn well on this. Classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Okay children? Yes, you all are doing fine. So now the spelling of friends. Friends. Very good. Those who are giving answer. Friends. 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 You are playing with your friends, not at home. Friends. Okay, see I will show you. Friends. See the spelling. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Okay? F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Learn these words. Friends. Okay? Now tell me the spelling of teachers. Teachers. See, I will show you. Teachers. Very good. Those who know the spelling of teachers. Teacher. See. T-E-A T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. Okay? T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. See, I will show you. We will revise these words again. F-I-R-S-T. First. Classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Friends. See this word, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. Okay, children? So you all have learned these 4 words? Very good. Now see. Again I will ask ant. Spelling of ant. Very good. Those who are answering. Very good. Ant. Ant. See, I will show you the spelling of ant. A-N-T. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Okay, children? A-N-T. Ant. Okay. Now tell me the spelling of food. Food. See, I will show you. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. Very good. Those were given. F-O-O-D. Food. Okay, children? F-O-O-D. Food. Now tell me the spelling of place. 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 Very good, those are giving answer. See, place. Place. I will show you a place. See the spelling. P-L-A-C-E. Place. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Okay. P-L-A-C-E. Place. Okay, children? Now tell me the spelling of sister. 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 Very good, those who are answering. Sister. Yes, very good. Now see, I will show you. Sister. See the spelling? S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Okay, children? See, again we will read all these words, okay? A-N-T. Ant. P-L-A-C-E. Place. F-O-O-D. Food. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. I hope now you all have understood and read these words. Okay? Very good. Now see. I will ask you words, okay? Tell me the spelling of book. 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 What is the spelling of book? Book. Very good. Those who know the spelling. Book. Yes. See, I will show you. Book. See the spelling of book? B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. book. B-O-O-K, book. Very good. Okay, children, now you all have learned the word of book, no? Very good. Okay, now tell me the spelling of want. 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 Spelling of want. Yes, what is the spelling of want? See, I will show you. Want. Very good. See here. W-A-N-T. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Learn this word. W-A-N-T. Want. Now tell me the spelling of worlds. 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 We have learned no wondrous worlds. Worlds. Tell me the spelling of worlds. Do you know? Very good. Worlds. See, I will show you. Worlds. W-O-R-L-D-S. Worlds. W-O-R-L-D-S. Words. See, learn this spelling. W-O-R-L-D-S. Words. Okay, children. Now tell me the spelling of read. 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 Very good. Those who are knowing the spelling of read. Read. See, I will show you. Okay, very good. Those who know the answer. Read. See, I will show you. See the spelling. R-E-A-D. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. Okay, children? See here. Now we will revise all these words again. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. W-O-R-L-D-S. Words. W-A-N-T. Want. R-E-A-D. Read. Okay, children? Book. Words. Want. Read. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, very good, those who have learned these words. Now see, we will learn fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. See now number 1, fill in the blanks number 1. Swati. See the spelling of Swati. Swati is going to class. Which class she is going? Very good. 1. Swati is going to class 1. Okay, children? Swati is going to class 1. Number 2. Tomorrow will be her. There is a blank. Day in the new class. You all have learned this. Tomorrow will be her day in the new class. Tomorrow will be her. You all know the answer. Tell me fast. Very good. Tomorrow will be her. Very good. First. day in the new class. Tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Okay. Number 3. See number 3. Swati enters the dash. Where Swati enters? Do you know where Swati enters? Yes. Swati enters the... Where she enters? Swati enters the... Very good. Classroom. 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 Swati enters the classroom. Okay, children? So first read the sentence and then give answer. Okay? Now see number 4. Swati also makes, there is a blank, with others in the class. Swati also makes with others in the class. What Swati makes? Yes, Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Okay, children? Now see number 5. Swati loves her. Swati loves her. What she loves? Swati loves her. Very good. Those who are answering. Swati loves her teachers. Okay, children? Very good. See again. Swati is going to class 1. First, okay? Swati is going to class first. 1. Tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Read once again, okay? Number 3. Swati enters the classroom. Swati enters the classroom. Number 4. Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Number 5. Swati loves her teachers. Swati loves her teachers. You all have understood this? Very good. Okay, children? Yes. So now we will learn other fill in the blanks. See now, fill in the blanks. Okay? Do you remember which lesson is this? Queen Anne's Restaurant. Which lesson? Very good. Lesson number 6. Now see number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Little. There is a blank. Loves to read. Who loves to read? We have learned in the lesson, no? Yes. Little loves to read. Loves to read. Who loves to read? Very good. You all are knowing this. You all are answering well. Okay, children? So what will become here? Little ant loves to read. Okay, now see number 2. Ants collect what ants collect? Ants. Ants collect very good. Very good. Those who are doing homework now will know the answer. Ants collect the food. F-O-O-D, food. See here first. Ants collect the food. Ants collect the food. Do you remember? See the spelling of collect. C-O-L-L-E-C-T. Collect the food. Okay, children? Now see number 3. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen wants. Queen wants. There is a blank. To fill the store. What queen wants? Queen wants to fill the store. What queen wants? Do you remember? Queen wants. Very good. Those who are giving answer. Yes. Queen wants. What she wants? To fill the store. The 4 stores were empty, no? So she wants. Number 3. Queen wants food. Very good. To fill the store. See again we will read this. Learn well. Queen wants food to fill the store. S-T-O-R-E, store. Queen wants food to fill the store. Queen wants food to fill the store. Number 4. See number 4. A restaurant. Restaurant spelling. Now you all know the restaurant spelling, no? A restaurant is a dash where people go to eat. What is a restaurant? A restaurant is what is a restaurant? Yes, a restaurant is a place where people go to eat. People go to eat food, no? So it is a restaurant. We have learned before. Spelling of restaurant. A place where people go to eat. Restaurant. See number 4. A restaurant is a place where people go to eat. Understood? Now see number 5. Little ant's baby. Little ant's baby. What? Yes. Extend her hand. Little ant's baby. Very good. Little ant's baby. Sister extends her hand. Remember well. Little ant's baby sister extend her hand. Okay, children. Now we all will learn this one time. We will read it. Okay. Number 1. Little ant loves to read. Number 2. Ants collect the food. Number 3. Queen wants food to fill the store. Number 4. A restaurant is a place where people go to eat. Number 5. Little ant's baby sister extend her hand. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Fill in the blanks. Do you remember which poem? Very good. Fill in the blanks of the poem. Open a book. See now number 1. Open a, what will come here? All are knowing this, no? Yes. So, open a book. See the spelling, B-O-O-K, book. Number 2. You will find people and dash of every kind. You will find people and, very good, places of every kind. You will find people and places of every kind. Okay, children? Now see number 3. You can be anything that you to be. See, read again and then answer. You can be anything that you to be. You can be anything that you want to be. Okay? That you want to be. You can be anything that you want to be. Okay, very good. Those who are answering. Number 4. You can share wondrous. What is wondrous? Do you remember? Very good. Those who are answering. You can share wondrous worlds. W-O-R-L-D-S. Worlds. Okay, children? You can share wondrous worlds. Number 5. See number 5. You read to me and I will to you. What will come here? You know? You read to me and I will. Can you remember this? I will. Yes, read to you. You read to me and I will read to you. Understood? See, again we will read this. Okay, so you will be able to revise it properly. Number 1. Open a book. Number 2. You will find people and places of every kind. Number 3. You can be anything that you want to be. You can be anything that you want to be. Now see number 4. You can share wondrous words. Number 4. You can share wondrous words. Number 5. You read to me and I will read to you. Number 5. You read to me and I will read to you. Okay, children? Yes, now we all have read this. Okay, so now you all are doing well. Revise it well. Okay, children? Yes. So be safe at home. Do your homework properly. properly, revise, prepare for your exams. Okay, revise, do revision of all these fill in the blanks which we have done just now and we have done before also. Okay children, revise it properly and prepare for your exams. Okay, thank you all.